Alright, we'll continue on with number 22. So number 22, when I look at this, I see x plus 3 and x minus 2. Those aren't the same. But then I have this 2x plus 6, which is also not the same, but also it has a common 2, which I can factor out. So I'm going to factor that out so I can see what I have. So if I factor out a 2, I'm left with an x. And if I factor out a 2 here, I'm left with a 3. So I do have a matching x plus 3. So I do, well, pretty much whenever I have a bunch of different factors, I'm going to use all of them and multiply them all together. So I have an x plus 3, I only need one, a 2, and an x minus 2. So I'm going to use all three of those pieces. So I'm going to write this out a little bit more than I did in the previous ones. So I need a denominator that is going to be 2 times x plus 3 times x minus 2. And I have a 3 on the top here. I already had the x plus 3, so I need a 2 and an x minus 2 on top. Now, for the middle, same thing, 2 times x plus 3 times x minus 2. But I already had the 2 and the x plus 3, I just needed an x minus 2. So I have my 5 times that x minus 2. And then at the end, same thing, 2 times x plus 3 times x minus 2. And I already have the x minus 2, I'm missing the 2 and the x plus 3. So that's 1 times 2 times x plus 3. Alright, so I got a common denominator of 2 times x plus 3 times x minus 2. So now that the common denominators are the same, I'm going to multiply. So I'm going to multiply that together before I distribute it. So 6 times x minus 2, and then 5 times x minus 2, and then 2 times x plus 3. Okay, distribute, distribute, distribute. 6x minus 12, 5x minus 10, 2x plus 6. Combine like terms on the right side. 5x and 2x is 7x. Negative 10 and 6 is 4. Negative 4. Alright, bigger number, bigger x is over here, so I don't have to do this, but I like it. Seems to save me one step at the end, that dividing by negative 1 that we had on the previous problem. So 7x minus 6x is 1x, and then I'm going to move the 4, so add 4 to both sides. So negative 12 plus 4, negative 8. And there it is, that's my x. Okay, number 24, when I look at my denominators, x plus 5, x minus 5, but when I see x squared minus 25, really what I can do is factor that to x plus 5 times x minus 5. So if you're not sure how that happened, using your little diamond graphic organizer thing, I'm looking for a negative 25 and 0 here because there's a 0x in the middle there. So I'm looking for two numbers to multiply to give me negative 25 to add up to 0. That's 5 and negative 5. So those are my two factors, and you'll see I have an x plus 5 and an x minus 5. I need both of those. So for this one, I can probably fit this in here. So I'm going to multiply this by x minus 5 so it'll match. So I have to multiply the top by x minus 5 as well. Over here, I need to multiply this by x plus 5. So x plus 5. We're going to multiply. So 4 times x minus 5 plus 2 times x plus 5 equals 32. And I don't need anything else because I have both of the denominators already. Distribute, distribute. Okay. 4 and 2x, that's 6x, combine like terms. Negative 20 plus 10 is negative 10. Then I'm going to add 10. So that'll give me 6x, that's 0. This is 42. Divide by 6. And x is 7. Alright, if you're looking at this on November 17th, 2025, I made you do this one in class. And what happened here was I factored this to x minus 3 times x plus 1. Alright, because it matched, right? So over here, I am missing the x minus 1, so I'm going to multiply by x minus 1.
I found a worksheet that I'm going to give.
Alright, and then right here I need to multiply by x minus 3. So x minus 3. So top is just x minus 1 times the 1 if you want. 2, negative 2 times x minus 3. And then over here just 8. So x minus 1 minus 2x plus 6 equals 8. And then combine like terms, that's negative x plus 5 equals 8. Alright, subtract 5. So I got negative x equals 3, and then divide by negative 1, and that gives me x equals negative 3. Nope, sorry, a little bit of confusion there. It was x plus 1 up here. So I'm just going to change a couple of things here. So it makes it a 7, not a 5. So real quick, this isn't a huge deal, sorry. Actually, I'm going to stop.